Okay, good evening. So this is a last webinar in this week, this working week. So I will have a few ones over the weekend, but they are not going to be about positions, etc. So it will be a sorry about it. Okay, so it will be a webinars regarding some, ways of trading approaches. So we'll try to present you something what will help you in the future in your trading. Something what I want to do for you guys. And what I want to do now is to review what actually has happened today. So I've already posted some levels with some currency pairs on TradingView. Well, I told you that you saw me trading euro dollar today after the news, so I've sold it. Then I closed the position almost right away. Lost a bit of movement basically. Then on a correction, I sold it again and lost on the, or not lost, but won. Well, basically, made some money on the correction, sold and bought at the very low here. So well, that's fine for Friday, you know. And for me, I've been talking to one of my traders mates basically about like Friday behavioral finance, you know, and he's thinking about it like different way than I do, and some of us I kind of disagree in it. But what I think and what I know is some hedge fund managers don't really trade on Fridays as well. So for me, Friday's like almost a weekend start, you know. So I normally don't really trade during the Friday. All right, guys. So basically, what is going on here? So finally, did have a very good week for myself. Not very good, but of course, would be better, you know, if I had at least a little bit better. But it was all right. I mean, that's fine. Okay, so what can I tell you about markets? So right, so we do expect Aussie to go down. We do have some new levels, but the thing is that I don't even know, and I don't even suggest you to make any trading decisions at the moment. So I will just quickly review kind of ups and downs where I want to kind of trade, in which direction I will trade during the next Monday, basically. So, all right, so okay, so Aussie will continue its down movement. It's already started, will be a retracement. We do have two levels here, but the thing is that I will recount these levels when the week will be closed completely, so when the market will be closed. So you will have on Sunday, just before the Asian session starts, you will have all the kind of levels for the Asian session only. So it will help you to kind of, you know, start your week. I really hope that you will be able to use it and you will make some money out of it. All right, guys, so let's go further. So euro pound, euro pound, euro pound, euro pound. I do want to buy it. I'm sure it will be a retracement, so that's when I will actually buy it. Okay, and the levels will be, well, at the moment you see some here. So you do see these arrows, but I'm not sure that these levels will be reached today. But who knows, who knows? You can just in case leave, for example, a limit order at 0.82474. So just in case, what if, you know? Let's go further. It's euro dollar. Yes, I wanted to sell it. I sold it. So basically, I'll switch to 15-minute chart and you'll see what I did basically. So let me squeeze it a little bit. Okay, so okay, I sold it here And then after I've made a little bit, basically I kind of closed position. So why did I close it? Because the price was too long. Well, I thought it's too long in this area, you know. And what has happened last Friday, it was this kind of move. The price did go down, then it stopped, and then it did go up. So basically, it wasn't a mistake. It was just the way of thinking, the way of my thinking around Friday. So Friday is not the day when I'm actually trading. I am trading only if I see something clear. And if my scenario is not working straight away, then I'm out of trade. So basically what I did, I've tried to make something here. I lost this long candle, so I didn't do anything here. But what I did, I just caught this very, very high here. So because I used this level here. So as you can see, well, this is a freshly posted level here. But as you can also see, it's a structural level. So I've decided to try, well, just, well, it was with a timing stop also. So I was waiting for about like 10 minutes. And in case if I didn't have a profit within this 10 minutes, then I would completely close my trade, no matter will my stop loss be reached or not, and that's it. So basically, and then I close my position just down here. And that's it. So finally, it was all right. I mean, this trade, Euro trade, so it was good. All right, guys, let's go further. Pound is going down. So I do believe that we will have some kind of retracement. Well, you do see levels there renewed already. So, or I didn't do it yet. Let me check. Well, did I do it or not? Don't think I did. All right, so I will do it now anyway. So you will see a few kind of so basically all my major instrument, Aussie, Euro Pound, Euro Dollar, Cable, Kiwi, Yen, Mexican, Gold. So basically on them, you will see all the levels for the end of the week. Why will I post them? I will post them just to give you a brief idea of what might happen on Monday. But these levels will be valid only for today. So basically, I will post them in the next like half an hour. So you will still have like an hour or two to use them today if you want to place a limit order or you want to enter the market, or might be one of the levels will be triggered or something like this. You'll see a price action pattern. So it's Friday, it's evening, you know, the week is almost closed. That's it, you know, and you will also be able to use them for a first hour of Asian session. So what I mean, when the Sydney is open, but Tokyo is not yet. So this kind of gap, if I can say so, you can try to use these levels, but then the Asian session levels will be on the game, in the game, whatever you want me to tell you. Okay, so them I will post on Sunday. Okay, so let's go further. It's New Zealand. New Zealand is going down, as you can see. Well, I've expected it to reach this level here. Didn't. So it's a good idea to sell it off the resistance somewhere around here. So 0.71575. Let's see what kind of price action will we see on Monday. So it does look like we're already breaking out of 0.714. Well, who knows? Maybe this is the resistance. All right, so let's go further. So it's dollar yen. Dollar yen, want to sell it. As you can see here, we do have a very good level to sell it now, basically 105.705. But I do believe that the price will continue its up movement during the beginning of Asian session on Monday. Okay, so let's go further. It's Mexican. I do want to sell Mexican. Very nice levels here, very beautiful levels. So, well, what might happen during the Monday, we might have a gap, and we might have a gap down as well, which I don't really like. might have a gap up to clear kind of these levels here. So basically, we are at the very, very nice place to sell it. So I would say that for today, it's the best place to sell Mexican. So what I would suggest you to do is to wait till Monday, of course. But if you want, so this is the time to place at least a limit order around 18.525. This area is good. Okay, so let's go to gold. As you know, I want to buy it. As you can see it from here, it's a freshly made levels. So basically for the end of tonight, today, or whatever, you know. So basically, I don't think that now the gold will move. Well, there's so this level 1321 is the level I'm waiting to be triggered. So at least that's where I want to buy it ideally. Of course, in case if the price will go up and break through this one here, 1335.24, I will try to catch a resistance or something like that. Not resistance, but correction, you know. So I'll buy it on a correction and that's it. So, all right, guys. So that's about it for now. It just took me like 15 minutes to talk about it. I don't see any questions at the moment. So please ask me questions. Then I'll stay here much longer. So I don't care. I work like this. So I talk kind of to myself in my head, you know. So I'm not crazy. I'm just telling you that I'm doing this analysis all the time for myself. So I'm trading. This is something what I do for a living. And that's why I don't really care if I want to switch the camera on or not. So it doesn't really matter, you know. I'm still here. I'm working. So will I work with you guys and you will kind of listen to me, what I'm going to tell you. If you want to kind of answers to your questions, I'll be just happy to talk to someone, you know. So that's basically why I'm here. That's the whole point of it. So conversation with you guys, helping each other, sharing market views. Come on, let's do it together, guys. So that's why I'm here. And well, basically, this is something I want you to do, guys. Come on. All right, guys. Have a good one. Have a good weekend. Have a good Friday evening. Yo. Bye-bye, guys.